Discovering the sphere. A journey through 3D shapes. Hello, everyone. In today's English language lesson, we are going to explore a fascinating 3D shape, one you come across every day, but perhaps don't always think about. That shape is the sphere. By the end of this lesson, you will not only know how to describe a sphere in English, but also understand its unique properties and where we can see it in our daily lives. A sphere is a perfectly symmetrical, three-dimensional object. If we were to slice a sphere in half, each half would be identical to the other. Think about it like a 3D circle. Every point on the sphere's surface is the same distance from its center. When describing a sphere in English, there are several key characteristics to mention. Firstly, as we just learned, a sphere is symmetrical and has no edges or vertices, corners. Furthermore, the sphere is smooth, and you might describe its surface as even or unbroken. It's also important to remember that all points on a sphere's surface are equidistant, or the same distance, from the center. Now that we've learned how to describe a sphere, let's look at some examples in real life. The most obvious examples are planets, like Earth, and stars, like the Sun. But we also find spheres in everyday items. For instance, sports balls like soccer balls or basketballs, marbles, and even bubbles blown from soap. To get comfortable with using sphere in English, here are some examples of how you might use it in a sentence. 1. The planet Earth is not a perfect sphere. It's slightly flattened at the poles. 2. He blew a soap bubble, and it formed a shiny, delicate sphere. 3. In the game of basketball, players bounce a large orange sphere. And there you have it, a journey into the world of the sphere. We've learned how to describe this 3D shape in English, discovered where we can see spheres in our daily lives, and practiced using sphere in a sentence. Remember, the more you use these descriptions and examples, the more comfortable you'll become with the language. Thank you for joining me on this journey through 3D shapes, and I look forward to our next adventure together in English language learning.